Thanks to this ingenious trick, my home now radiates the exquisite aroma characteristic of a high-class mansion. To start this recipe, we will need 3 medium-sized lemons. With the help of a sharp knife, we will proceed to cut the medium-sized lemons in half. It is crucial to meticulously follow the procedure I am demonstrating. This recipe will undoubtedly amaze every visitor who crosses the threshold of your home. We will use 3 lemons, each prepared in a different way, in order to place them in different areas of the house. Then, place each lemon in separate containers, spreading a generous tablespoon of coarse salt over each of them. We will make sure to give each lemon a different scent, carefully selected to suit the different areas of the house. Of our home. In my home, the second essential element for this recipe is alcohol. Incorporate 3 tablespoons, exactly what is necessary for our first mixture. My friends and visitors, without fail, always ask me what is the secret behind the exquisite aroma that permeates my home. For the second ingredient, add a tablespoon of coarse salt, followed by a touch of fabric softener. This scent is ideal for scenting the bedroom, ensuring that your sheets and clothing always give off a fragrance of cleanliness and freshness. Alternatively, you can opt for a disinfectant or other scent of your choice. I'm sure after trying this recipe, you'll thank me again for teaching you this nifty homemade trick. Finally, we will repeat the process with the 3rd lemon. We will apply 1 tablespoon of coarse salt again, followed by 3 tablespoons of alcohol. The difference lies in the addition of cloves, which give an incredible aroma to our home and also act as an insect repellent. I sincerely hope that you will achieve the exquisite aroma that permeates my home, just like in a mansion. With this method, you won't need to invest more in expensive commercial air fresheners. It's an economical trick, and it's very likely that you already have all the necessary ingredients at home. Without a doubt, this is the best homemade trick that you can easily replicate. The scent of each of these mixtures will last for up to 2 weeks, ensuring your complete satisfaction. In the meantime, don't forget to tell me which country or city you're tuning in from so I can give you a special shout-out in our next video. If you've come this far, leave house emojis so that I know you've seen the entire video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, sign up to be the first to receive our tips.